In this question we are given that a manufacturer makes jackets that are of two types, which is wool and cotton, or it can be a combination of both. We are given that the manufacturer has 3000 pounds of wool and 2000 pounds of cotton. Now after reading the question you should be able to infer that we can represent the data in a tabular form. So let's create a table first where we have the amount of cotton as 3000 pounds. Then we have the amount of wool, which is 2000 pounds. We have to find out if this amount of wool and cotton is enough to make at least 1000 jackets. So we have to check if the jackets that is made of cotton plus jackets made of wool, or a combination of both, their number is greater than 1000 or not. We now move on to step 2 and check the sufficiency of statement 1. Now in statement 1 we are given that each wool jacket, it requires 4 pounds of wool and no cotton. So from this we can conclude that the number of jackets that can be made will be equal to 3000 by 4, which is 750 jackets. But we have no information about the number of cotton jackets, so we cannot conclude if the total number of jackets is greater than 1000 or not. Hence we conclude that statement 1 is insufficient, and out of the given options we eliminate A and D. We now check the sufficiency of statement 2. Each cotton jacket requires 6 pounds of cotton and no wool. So the number of cotton jackets that can be manufactured is 2000 divided by 6. Now this is approximately equal to 333 jackets. But from statement 2 we have no information about the number of wool jackets. So we conclude that statement 2 is also insufficient. Now when we combine both the statements together, from statement 1 we have that the number of jackets of wool jackets is equal to 750, and from statement 2 we get that the number of jackets which are made of cotton is equal to 333. Now when we add these values we get 750 plus 333, which is equal to 1033 jackets. Now this is greater than 1000, so we can conclude after combining the two statements that the amount of wool and cotton that the manufacturer has can be used to make at least 1000 jackets. So the correct answer is option C.